Namaskar, I am Pradeep Kumar Misra from Saraswati Sishu Mandir Senior Secondary School, Surkund, Gorakhpur. First of all, I would like to pay my hearty thankfulness to Honorable Sangathan Mantri of West UP, Sri Domeswar Sahu ji, who just providing us such a wonderful orientation program of English communication workshop for each and every Achar and Acharya. I would like to also pay my hearty thankfulness our respected mentor Deepak sir, who trained us well in all ways, not only in the way of communication skills but also in the way of developing and cultivating social skills too, like creativity, critical thinking, and a lot of flexibility, collaboration. All these things are very fruitful for all of us. Especially I would like to also thank to my second mentor Renu ma'am, who just inspired us, motivated us with different types of activities and confidence level updated generation, that how we should survive, how we should update, and how we should make our student perfect than the any other. Especially as I remember, more than 30 activities have been done here, and each and every activities are really very fruitful and beneficial for all of us. Nearly each and every activities, more than 30 activities have been completed, done very positively, successfully, and each and every activities will be applied in our classroom. Why? Because this one is really very easy way to just create the concentration and interest and keen learning possession of a learner to learn beautifully in a play mood and in a inspiring way. There are many activities that just I remember I would like to express. Mock interview. Mock interview thus just create our just sensibility, our presence of mind to face any type of problem in a short and just solve it in an easy way. Hold the class, test the best, beat the clock. All these are very important activities. Confidence building, presence of mind, create a story, let me translate. All these are really very beneficial, not only in the field of communication but also in the field of developing all our skills too. I would like also thank to our guardian Sri Madan Palji, who just cared to all of us. This one is the 23rd batch, and this continuous batch, and in this batch this one is the just largest batch till now. There are 40 members, and each and every learner has totally satisfied through the different type of creative skill and activities. Especially I again thank my mentor especially just started our morning time, Madan Pal sir, who is also just working as a mentor, because he just informed us, he just motivated us, he just cultivated us, he inspired us that how we should do before our learners, if especially different type of moral stories and almanac, and how we should start our assembly. Why? Because assembly is the first time that complete the happy session of any school during the dispersal. All these things are very beneficial. I have no word to explain how beautiful, how essential, how important, how just inspiring, how fruitful, how incredible, how wonderful this work shop is for all of us. And surely I am feeling some different energetic to just teach our student, to learn our student, to show that really this orientation is the need of the hour for each and every learner of our Vidya Bharati. Again, I thank to respected principal sir of these institutions, who also just provided all things what was the need. And at last I just thank my pleasure. It's my pleasure that before my respected sir to just record my experience. Again, at the last I would like to thank all the members, especially who just maintain this activity in a very positive way. Thank you.